In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a survey from Microsoft Forms. This process is straightforward and will help you manage your survey data effectively. By following these steps, you'll be able to gather insights and analyze responses with ease. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. You can use any search engine you prefer. As you type in the search bar, look for the official Microsoft Forms link in the results. This is important because accessing the correct website ensures you are using the latest version of the tool. Once you find the link, click on it to proceed. You'll see a clean interface that is user-friendly and intuitive. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. If you're already logged into your Microsoft account, you may skip this step. However, if prompted, enter your credentials. This step is crucial for accessing your forms and any associated data securely. Once logged in, you will be redirected to your Microsoft Forms dashboard. This dashboard is where all your created forms and surveys will be displayed. Now, open your survey on Microsoft Forms. You will see a list of surveys you have created or have access to. Simply click on the survey you wish to export. This action allows you to view and manage the survey responses. It's important to select the right survey because you want to ensure that you are exporting the correct data. Once your survey is open, you will see the layout of the questions and responses. From there, click on the Responses tab at the top of the form layout. This tab is dedicated to showing all the responses you have received for your survey. It is vital to locate this tab because it contains the data you will be exporting. Once you click on it, you will see a summary of responses including charts and statistics. This visual representation helps you quickly assess the feedback gathered. Next up, click the green Open in Excel button. This button is typically located near the top of the Responses tab. When you click it, the software initiates the export process. If your form was built inside OneDrive or SharePoint, this button may say Sync Results to Excel for the web instead. This is a little detail that keeps your data synced and accessible across platforms, which can be very helpful later on. After that, a .xlsx file containing every response row, timestamp, and email record will instantly download to your computer's Downloads folder or open directly in your web browser. This file format is widely used and allows for easy manipulation of data in Excel. You can now access all the survey responses in a structured format, making analysis much simpler. By following these steps, you have successfully exported your survey data from Microsoft Forms. This process not only saves you time, but also allows for deeper insights into your survey results. Remember, managing your survey data effectively is key to making informed decisions based on your collected feedback. Thank you for watching, and happy analyzing.